walked through years with hope in my hands, searching for a love that would understand. And then your smile found the pieces of me and turned my broken heart into something free. Every heartbeat whispers your name. Nothing in this world will ever be the same. You're the sunrise after my longest night, the reason my soul believes in light. When you hold me, the world fades away. Forever begins with every word you say. You're my home, my dream come true. Every love song starts and ends with you.
Time may leave its silver in our hair, but it can never steal the love we share. Through every storm, through joy and pain, I choose your heart again and again.
If tomorrow never comes, let tonight be enough to tell you that my greatest gift is your love. I'd cross every ocean, climb every mountain high, just to see forever reflected in your eyes. You're the sunrise after my longest night, the reason my soul believes in light. With every breath, with every kiss, heaven feels exactly like this. Take my hand, we'll never be apart. You'll always be the rhythm of my heart. Every love song starts and ends with you, and I'll spend forever loving you.